Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing January 2020's Fab Bag, which you see right here. So without any further ado, let's just get started with the unboxing. So the details to purchase the bag will be in the description box if you guys are interested. This is how the bag actually looks. You can see you've got shimmery black, beige and rose gold mixed bag, which looks quite good. You can use it for whatever purpose you are looking for. And when you open this up, you see two cards which I'm going to be reading out in a bit. So as always, you have a in my Fab Bag contest. So what you'll have to do is you will have to like post a picture with the Fab Bag that you got, and you will have to hashtag it with in my Fab Bag on your social media handle, and they will select one lucky winner. And if you win this month, you will get MS365 Deep Dark Arabic Kajal. I think this is from which brand that I don't know. It isn't okay. Miss 365 is the brand itself. So from that brand you will get Deep Dark Arabic Kajal. So there will be totally 10 winners. So if you're interested, you can participate and go on with that. And this is the info card that we get along with the bag. So this has all the details of the products that are available. In this month we have 1, 2, 3, 4 full size product and one sample size product, if I'm not wrong. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see what all we have. So the first one that I pick it up is the Thwak Pink Clay Purifying Face Mask, which is for 150 rupees for 25 grams. So this is the sample size that I was talking about. So this is a pink clay mask. This is basically for acne purifying face mask, which also helps in detanning and detox. So the second product is this one, which is Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Metallic Eyeshadow, which is in the shade Emerald Gaze. Full size product which retails for 499 rupees. If you can see, this is the shade. Should I have to open this? Am I gonna open this? No, I'm not gonna open this. So yeah, this has a very emerald shade. That's the shade it is. So that's the second product. The next one is okay, this one, which is the Brick New York Ultimate Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 03 Cherry Memory. This is also a full size product which retails for 449 rupees. So this is how the packaging looks. I'm just going to open this up and show you the shade. Okay, so this is a brick shade, actually. Brick and a sort of red shade. I think I would love this shade because I am more into bricks sort of a shades. Oh my god, I love it already. Yeah, this is my shade. The next one is the Nature's Co Tea Tree Hair Nourishing Cream. This is also a full size product which retails for 225 rupees. So this is how the product looks like. I think the Nature's Co product, everything, all of their products smell nice, but I have not really gravitated to any of those products to use. Most of it have even given it away or thrown it away since I've not used it. So I don't know if I would use this at all, or this will go on giveaway list or anything of that sort. I don't know. I don't gravitate to these products. The Nature's Co product in specific. Okay, the last product for this month's Fab Bag is the Sirona Gold Ore Handmade Bath Soap, which is also a full size product which retails for 190 rupees. And this is how the soap looks. This has real gold leaf, cherry blossom, essential oils, and the net weight is 50 grams. This premium handcrafted soap is a treat for your senses and is rich in natural minerals and vitamins. Sirona, I've not heard about this brand before, but I'm quite excited to try this one. Let's just see how this, okay, wow, this looks nice. So yeah, This is how the soap actually looks. It smells so good. This smells like a perfume which I'm not familiar about, but I've been through this smell a lot in my childhood. I don't get the smell. I cannot explain the smell, but you have definitely smelled it before. That's the smell of it. I know. Explaining smells, I lack at it. Okay. So with that, we come to the end of this video. I think the products that I've got in this month's Fab Bag is way more better than the previous ones, because we've got two makeup products, and we also have something that I would use, which is the pink clay acne thing, and the soap also I would definitely use it. The only thing that I would not use in this bag is the hair nourishing cream, which is sort of okay, because that is like, you know, out of 5 I'm not gonna use only one. I'm quite happy with this month's bag. So if you like this video, make sure you like it, and yeah, I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.